If you're launching a website in Malaysia and picking the wrong host, you're already losing visitors before you even get started. Slow load times, bad local server support, hidden renewal prices. It happens more than you think. So today I tested 4 of the most popular web hosting providers for Malaysian users: Hostinger, Bluehost, Cloudways, and DreamHost, and ranked them based on speed, pricing, support, and how well they actually perform for a Malaysia-based audience. Let's get into it. First up, Hostinger. Hostinger has become one of the most popular choices in Southeast Asia, and for good reason. Their pricing is aggressive, starting at just a few dollars a month, and they include a free domain and SSL certificate on most plans. What really matters for Malaysian users is speed. Hostinger has a data center in Singapore, which is close enough to give you solid latency across Malaysia. In my tests, page load times were fast and consistent. Their control panel, called H-Panel, is beginner-friendly, and setup takes just a few minutes. Customer support is available 24/7 through live chat. The only downside: renewal pricing jumps up after the first term, so keep that in mind when you sign up. Overall, Hostinger is the best pick if you want affordable pricing with strong performance in this region. Next, Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the oldest and most trusted names in the hosting industry, and it's officially recommended by WordPress itself. For Malaysian users, Bluehost doesn't have a data center in Southeast Asia, so load times can be a bit slower compared to Hostinger, but their infrastructure is reliable and uptime in my testing stayed consistently strong. Bluehost is a great choice if you're building a WordPress site, since it comes with one-click WordPress installation and solid plugin compatibility out of the box. Pricing is competitive for the first term, but similar to Hostinger, renewal rates increase. Support is available through live chat and phone. If your audience is more global and you want a brand with a long track record, Bluehost is a safe option. But if speed for local Malaysian visitors is your top priority, it's not the fastest choice on this list. Now let's talk about Cloudways, and this one is a bit different from the rest. Cloudways isn't a traditional shared hosting provider. It's a managed cloud hosting platform that lets you deploy servers from providers like DigitalOcean, AWS, Google Cloud, and Volta, all through one simple dashboard. Here's why this matters for Malaysia. Cloudways lets you choose a server location in Singapore, which means genuinely fast load times for your local audience, without needing any technical server management skills. Performance in my tests was excellent, especially for sites with higher traffic or resource-heavy pages. It's pay-as-you-go pricing, so costs scale with your usage instead of a fixed monthly fee. The trade-off is that Cloudways is a step up in complexity compared to Hostinger or Bluehost, and there's no free domain included. But if you want cloud-level performance without paying enterprise prices, this is one of the strongest options available. Last up, DreamHost. DreamHost has been around since 1996, and it's known for transparent pricing and a strong uptime guarantee. They actually promise 100% uptime and credit you if they don't deliver. For Malaysian users, DreamHost data centers are based in the US, so latency is noticeably higher compared to Hostinger or Cloudways. If your traffic is mostly local, this might not be your best pick. That said, DreamHost includes free SSL, solid privacy protection, and no aggressive upselling during checkout, which is refreshing compared to some competitors. It's a good option if you want a no-nonsense, privacy-focused host and your traffic isn't purely Malaysia-based. So here's the breakdown. If you want the best value for money with strong local speed, go with Hostinger. If you're serious about performance and don't mind a bit of a learning curve, Cloudways is the strongest technical choice for Malaysian traffic. If you want a trusted, WordPress-recommended brand, Bluehost is solid. And if privacy and transparent pricing matter most to you, DreamHost is worth considering. Links to all 4 are in the description below, along with any active discounts I could find. If this helped you, drop a like, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with. See you in the next video.